What has 5 eyes, lays up to 3,000 eggs every single day, and has wings that flap over 11,000 times in 1 minute? And I'm not talking about some mythical creature, Night Fam. It's a real animal. And most surprisingly, it's the most important living thing on the planet, only after humans. And by the end of this video, you will know why. Its name means a prayer. It has coexisted with dinosaurs for at least 35 million years, and it's the second most scientifically studied creature on Earth, right after humans. So, what do you think is it? A fly, a bee, a dragonfly, or a grey cross-flying spider? Believe it or not, we humans would not be able to live without bees. First, it's hard to believe that 70% of the world's agriculture depends on bees. And I really want to stress this out because this is huge. Just imagine, if we don't have bees to pollinate our plants, plants will not produce, and that could only mean one thing. There wouldn't be enough food for the almost 8 billion people in the world.
Honeybees are responsible for 1 out of every 3 bites of food we take.
No bees, no pollination. No plants, no food for livestock animals, no dairy products, no food for humans. And this doesn't only affect what we eat. Because you know what most of our clothes are made of, right? They're made of cotton. And if we don't have bees, there will be no cotton plants. And this is not all. There are many more reasons why bees are unbelievable. Honeybee is the only insect in the world that produces food humans can eat. And it's so dedicated to serve us that it spends its lifetime producing only 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey. Can you believe that? It would have to fly around 90,000 miles. That is 3 times around the globe, and collect nectars from 2 million flowers just to make 1 pound of honey. Be honest, you didn't know about all these things, right? And that is because bees are the most underrated animals in the world. You would be amazed to know that bees are really smart. In some ways, even smarter than humans. In fact, here is another beautiful fact about them. They communicate through dancing. Yes, worker bees, which are the females, perform the waggle dance, which makes them shake their bodies from one side to another side. This signals the other worker bees which direction to find food, water, or even a new home. Sometimes a bee also dances when they wish to be cleaned by other bees. Next, don't you ever belittle these creatures, because honeybees are so smart, they have been trained to detect bombs. Yes, they are trained by humans to respond to bombs by sticking their tongues out when they sniff the aroma from explosives. And not only can they detect bombs, they can also detect illnesses in humans. They do this by smelling the illness on the breath in less than 10 minutes. Bees, in many ways, save humans. And that is why it's surprising how little we learn about them. Let me repeat myself, it's the most important living thing on the planet, that 70% of the world's agriculture depends on them. And so I guess now there is nothing else left for me but to rate it a wow fact.